In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this animation product in Canva. Add text and write the menus like a website. Let me change the background color first. I'm going to make it white. Use the Montserrat font. I'll duplicate it a few times. Make sure that everything is aligned consistently with equal spacing. Next, head over to the elements and look for ice cream logo here. Pick whichever one you prefer. Import the product images. It can be any product. In this case, it's ice cream. I'm planning to bring in pictures that show what it tastes like. I'll remove the background, reduce the size, place it on the ice cream, and also rotate it. I'll do the same for the other flavors. For this one, go to the elements and type these phrases into the search bar. 1 slice of fresh lime and lime fruit wedge cut out. You can also search for other keywords, such as lime, fresh, fruit, green. I'll select all of them and group them. Position. I'll group the texts and the logo first. I'll make copies of the ice cream and its flavor image and put them here. I'll select these 3 ice creams and place them here. And I'll increase the scale of these. Press T on the keyboard. I'll put it here, and I'll type in the product flavor. I'm using the Montserrat font with a semi-bold subfont. I'll make it white. Also, align to the left. Reduce the line spacing. I'll duplicate it. And I'm going to change the subfont to medium. Then I'm going to type in the product details, which in this case, I'll use dummy text. Go to the elements and search for Order button now. I will select them, reduce their size, and position them at the top. I plan to make around 6 duplicates. Select all and group them. Duplicate the page. On the second page, we'll replace the first product with the next product. And I'll make the first product smaller, as you see, and put it here. Press R on the keyboard. Set it here and make it wider, like this. Go to the position and place its layer below the product. And drag the text layer below the rectangle. Change the background color as well. The color of the rectangle too. Scroll up the text. Duplicate the page and do same steps for other pages. Add match and move transition. Apply between all pages. Let's see the preview.